So this is going to show you how to do conditional formatting so that we say, all right, this section doesn't open until you've done this assignment, or this assignment isn't even visible until you've turned in these three things, or whatever you want to do, that type of conditional formatting. So I'm in a test course, and I'm going to go here first to edit settings. And what I have to do is, I'll expand all to make life easy on us. You got to come down here to completion tracking and enable completion tracking. So if you don't do this step, none of the stuff that I'm going to show you will even appear. So we're going to come out down here to save and display, and we'll be back in our course and ready to start adding assignments and putting some of this conditional formatting in. So I will turn editing on, and we're just going to do a little simple one, but the premise is going to be exactly the same. So I'm going to say, I'm going to have them turn in an assignment. And I'm just going to call this demo 1. And I'm going to come down here. I don't need to fill any of this out now. Of course, you would at some point. And then you're now going to have a new tab called activity completion. And we are going to say show activity as complete when conditions are met. And you can choose what you want here. I'm going to take the view off, but I'm going to actually say they have to submit something in order for it to be completed. Now, if you wanted to, you could wait until they receive a grade and check that. But that's totally up to you. All right. And I'm going to hit save and return to course. And now when I go to add my second one, I'll say assignment, add, and this is going to be demo 2. I'm going to say restrict access. I'm going to add a restriction and choose activity completion. And then I'll choose demo 1. It's the only other assignment, and it must be marked complete. Or you could say what the past grade, whatever you want. So I'm just going to say mark complete, and then I would be done. Now, if you want to make the next thing contingent on demo 2, you would then have to complete the activity completion here within this assignment as well. So you just keep building on each assignment. So the first one will only have activity completion. The second one will have restrict access and activity completion. And then you would just save and return. So you can see this one is restricted unless demo 1 is marked complete. So that's how you'll know you've done it correctly. All right, if you've got any questions, please let me know. 8017 or butcher.c@lynchburg.edu.